Lovely job. So yeah, so I've got no customer brake, as you would call it.
Yeah.
So when you go over,
is there any adjustment in the seats?
Nah, I think
right,
it's done.
okay.
I think you're done. Great, Craig, you're there. How are we doing on time? 10:15. I'm way behind. How funny you? Oh yeah, 45 minutes behind. Yeah, we're doing a couple of laps. Okay. Yeah, I'm Dave or Trippy.
Yeah.
That's only because of the drugs, don't worry too much about it. Right. When you're ready, 5-speed manual, get first gear, make your way over. Stop to the right hand side of the McLaren rather than behind it.
The right hand side, yeah?
Yeah. Where that young lass is, off you go. Keep the revs up. So right there, if he pulls away, stay left, she's pulling away. It's only when he doesn't pull away, I don't want running the risk of going into the back of the line, it's stupid. You know, it's like, where's home for you now then? Where's home for you now?
Folkestone.
Okay.
So a couple of hours away.
Yeah. Sorry, hon. You warmed up now, please tell me yes. You're getting there, are you? Yeah. Big silly smiles to Craig.
Brilliant.
So Craig, you've been out a couple of times now, so you know the circuit.
Literally just come in, yeah.
Bring revs up, revs.
Yeah, sorry. Caught the brake as well.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's the thing about this. Change up when you're ready. I'm targeting about 3,500 on the revs.
Right, okay.
So just build your speed, you know. And just enjoy your drive.
Thank you.
How long have you been doing driving? Jumping?
Only started at the beginning of the year.
Okay, so you. Yeah.
Drive for quite a while.
Yeah. No brakes, it's alright, it'll go through. Just roll your arms. Got a right, left, right. Don't even need to pass the wheel. Build your speed. Feed the power in. Feed it in. Feed it in. Beautiful. That's it. Use this line as a guideline to keep you straight.
Yeah.
So the brake ball, whoever arrives first in a brake ball has priority.
Right, okay.
Change up and move across. Get yourself right over early, Craig. Get it straight, so you've got a better straight, so you've got a lot more brake in a straight line. Down one gear now, bud. Keep it a bit wider to your right. Tuck it in now, tuck it in, right in. That's it. You might roll, it's going to squeal, be careful, it's going to squeal. keep going. Yeah, there's not one of the other cars. Let it run out to your left. Can you hear the car?
Yeah.
They're trying to break traction. There's a car going to come past on your right shoulder, okay?
Yeah.
That's it. Out the gas, slow it down. That's it, lovely. Yeah, David's not even got a little stick-on mirror.
No, that's throwing me off. I can't see what's behind me.
Nightmare. Yeah, when you're ready, change up.
Such a close box.
Yeah, it is. It's not a Cobra box.
Is it not?
No.
What box is it then?
I don't know, I was going to tell you what it was.
Okay.
And I'll remember, because someone told me earlier on. I said exactly the same as you. I mean, it's not a close sync. Well, yeah, it's not a Cobra box. But I do keep breaking it. Right down. A little bit in too early there, Craig.
Okay, sorry.
Don't need to apologise, mate. Right, come down again, bud. That's it.
Let it go out wide, yeah?
Yeah, go wide and bring it back in a nice long sweeping arc. Feed the power in, feed it in, and bring it back to the right hand side. Go right away across. Oh, you're alright. Keep going to the right. Straight now. That's it. Off the valve. Beautiful. Tuck it in tight. Get in. Feed the power in now. Feed it in. That's great. Lovely. Beautiful. It's a Mazda or a Honda gearbox.
Oh, I'll explain that.
Off the power. Brakes in. Down a gear. Off the brakes. Just let it settle. Tuck it in early, get it in early, get it tight. No more gas. Pull it in, get your arms around, that's it. Soft power now. Beautiful. That's it. Let the car run out to the left hand side. So we have the GT40 that ain't going to catch us, but we have got the 4 RS. So they will catch us.
Just stay left, yeah?
Yeah, just carry on driving for a minute as we are. Keep going, he's not here yet. Change up. Off the power. Take your line, it must be held up. I can't see it. Change up. Right down, that's off the brake, don't let him pass, just keep going, just drive back. Slow right down, you need to make your right turn, keep the car to the left hand side, keep left, that's it, and head back.
Definitely a different piece to the GT.
Oh, absolutely. There's a difference on instructors as well. So I've spent a lot of time in the Atoms, and he would have run the Atoms as well.
Yeah.
People would know me, that if my hand's up in the air in a brake position, they know that I know they're there.
Yeah.
So we've got our mirrors, so right turn there, right turn there. Yeah, please, yeah. So right down.